A new feature coming soon is the DB connector. We've used the PDO interface in PHP, which offers drivers for all types of databases. I'm setting up MySQL here, but it could be Postgres, it could be Microsoft SQL Server, it could be Oracle, and many more. The setup is very similar to a normal API connector in the connector builder. A slight difference, you select database as your system type. That'll give you a list of all the available protocols. It supports rate limiting. It supports the ability to create dynamic variables for reuse. And the setup for authentication is very similar, where this time you would put in your port, your host, etc. And it supports SSL. The real difference then is instead of doing endpoints, you would create queries. So these queries can support things like pagination still, and support the dynamic variables, as I say. So you can create these reusable queries to select, insert, update, delete records, or even execute store procedures. We allow syntax like this, so you can insert multiple rows for ease of use, for incoming payloads, for say orders, or different types of records. And this will all be detailed in the upcoming documentation. But to show off a very simple example, I've got a very simple insert query here. I've got a very simple process flow where I'm bringing in two orders via manual payload, and I'm going to run this and insert them into the database. So I run this flow, execute that, and then I've got a very simple database set up here. If I refresh the screen, you've got the two new orders, 3 and 4 here. So a very, very simple example, but having this now as a standard connector in Patchworks means no more scripts to connect the databases. You can use a normal connector route. So that means you'll benefit from the error handling, the reduced maintenance, it's reusable, and it's easier to use with other shapes and transformations.